In this video, we'll guide you on how to make real money with affiliate marketing in 2024. You'll learn the secrets to earning a steady online income through proven strategies and techniques. Choosing the right products is crucial. We'll show you how to select high-converting products that align with your audience's needs, ensuring you maximize your earnings potential. Next, we dive into effective promotion techniques. Discover the best channels and methods for showcasing your affiliate products, from social media to email marketing, to reach your target audience. Beginners often overlook the importance of understanding their audience. We'll teach you how to research your audience's preferences and tailor your promotions to match their interests. Experienced marketers will benefit too. We offer advanced tips and strategies to optimize your affiliate campaigns, helping you increase conversions and boost profits. Tracking and analyzing your performance is key. Learn how to use analytics tools to monitor your campaigns and make data-driven decisions that enhance your marketing efforts. Building trust with your audience is essential. We'll discuss ways to establish credibility and foster long-term relationships that encourage repeat purchases and referrals. Consistency is crucial for success. We'll emphasize the importance of maintaining a regular posting schedule and staying engaged with your audience to keep them interested. Diversifying your income streams is wise. Explore how to expand your affiliate marketing efforts across different niches and platforms for greater financial stability. We'll address common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Understand the mistakes many marketers make and how you can steer clear of these challenges. If you dream of financial independence, affiliate marketing can be your pathway. Follow our insights and start turning your online aspirations into reality. Stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip that could significantly boost your earnings in 2024. Don't miss this opportunity to start making real money with affiliate marketing today.